Hi guys, this is Solid Visual. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be showing you how to create 3D perspective floor plans in ArchiCAD and Lumion. Having said that, let's jump into it. There are a couple of ways to create a 3D perspective floor plans, but rather in this video we chose to use ArchiCAD cutting planes and then exporting it to Lumion rendering rather than creating 3D documents in ArchiCAD. First things first, I got my model into 3D, then activate my Lumion Live Sync. The Lumion Live Sync is an extension that synchronizes both models, like it synchronizes your ArchiCAD model into Lumion. Watch our full tutorial on how to use the Live Sync. We'll leave the link to the video on the description. After getting our model on 3D, I create a custom cutting plane to cut the model in half and represent the 3D plan. After applying cutting planes, you'll get a 3D cutway which will reflect on Lumion since the models are sync. Remember, we are using the Live Sync. The model automatically updates from ArchiCAD to Lumion. So you see the reflection here. We can make a few alterations on our model. We can open doors to make the model more interesting, check if raw materials are not clashing, orbit around our cutway, and then we can now focus on our Lumion. As you can see in our Lumion, there are objects floating around. These objects are for the upper floor, so we need to put them on layers and hide them because we are focusing on the ground floor, so we don't want to see unnecessary objects that are floating. Layers are important to any workflow for better management of projects. Layers are useful for organizing models and objects, great to hide and show parts of a scene. So basically in this process here, we'll be showing how to create layers and hide objects. We have a full fundamental course for beginners which covers a lot of Lumion's fundamental basics like layers and model management. I will leave the link to the course in the description. Having said that, let's proceed and hide objects that we don't want to show in our scene. After hiding unnecessary objects, we have a clear and clean model. We can populate and place objects just to create a stunning scene for our renders. In this particular example, we populate empty areas with objects. Here we are populating a living room. Remember, context is very crucial when communicating designs. So this is basically a quick demo reel of how we place objects, and remember to place them on layers for easy management. Now we can move on and create still images. Just a quick run through on saving cameras and render effects. Store and save camera presets and apply render effects. Explore a number of Lumion's more effects and styles that you can apply to the model. Lumion has a wide variety of effects that are essential to create beautiful presentations. We can now render and see the wonders that we have created. That was just a quick run of how we can produce stunning images. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope it was helpful. Leave a comment below and let us know what you thought. I'll join you in the comments. And thank you for watching. If you like this video, please remember to click that like button. And if you are new here, hit that subscribe for more videos like this. Lastly, we have a Lumion 3D Best Practice course running. For those who want to hone and update their Lumion skills, link to the course is on the description. Bye for now.